Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover how to take screenshot in Selenium Java. So let's get started. Okay. So what we have to do, I have already shown you one alert example. Okay. So here what we are doing, we are clicking on the box first, then clearing the text, this is a text box. Okay, and entering Gunjan, and then we will click on the alert box. Okay, and get its text. Okay, and click OK. And second we have to click on confirm. So first we will click clear it and enter Gunjan 1. Okay, and after that this Gunjan 1, click the confirm button and get its text and click OK. And in another same thing we will do with Gunjan 2 text, only we have to do cancel. Okay, fine. And in this what we have called slice browser, maximize window, implicit wait, and the URL I have kept here, that I'm calling get title and alert. Okay, click alert, click confirm, and after that I am taking the screenshot. Okay, so let's what we have to do. See, I have already some screenshot, so I'm deleting it for now. Now I will refresh one to show you nothing is there. Okay, so now what we do, I am just running it. Okay, so let it run. Now application is loaded. So now it will enter Gunjan and click on alert box button. Okay, now you should click OK. Now it will write Gunjan 1 confirm and then OK. Now it will write Gunjan 2 confirm and cancel, and then it will take a screenshot. Same screenshot I should take. Okay, see, so it passed. See what is title of the page. First share, first what the alert message there, second alert message, and third alert message. See Gunjan 1, Gunjan 2, and it passed. So now we will check this screenshot. So there's nothing in there, so we will refresh it. See 2.png, 2.png. Okay, now we will click. Now you can see. Wait. See, you can try here also. So this is a screenshot. So like this you can take the screenshot. So it is very important question in interview. Please go through it. If you have any question, please do comment. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, do like my video, do share. Thank you. Bye bye.